Yes, guys, if you're looking to use YouTube or social media to actually help drive traffic to your store, then this video is for you, mate. I want to show you exactly how to use YouTube, the best way to actually drive traffic to your store. But do check this out, mate. Do check these stats out. Look, obviously, you can find your stats in your shop manager where you can find different ways that people or look at different ways that people find you. Now, let me just break this down really quickly because I think it's really important to understand it. The best way to actually drive traffic is organically. And I always talk about this, and you can check out my playlist on how to improve your organic ranking, if you like, or get seen on the Etsy platform organically through good SEO, good keywords that you're using in your listing, which helps Etsy identify you and helps push you up on those pages. So I definitely recommend working on your listings, working on those keywords, those low competition keywords to make sure you get seen on the platform organically, right? Obviously, the next best way that you can get seen is probably through Etsy ads, I would say. Although that is obviously something where you're going to have to budget, you're going to have to actually pay for, but you can actually do this in a very clever way where you budget really smartly, where you're not spending too much. Make sure your spend is low, but you're actually hitting some very important places, some good keywords, which can be very effective because obviously this is through Etsy itself, through the platform. So obviously they will promote this and push you also. But obviously, as a really good free way to push you, social media is fantastic. And I definitely recommend it. And the top ways I would recommend is definitely through Pinterest, through Facebook, through Instagram, through TikTok as well, which is becoming massive. And also definitely through YouTube, which is very underrated. Now, I do have a playlist on marketing and how to promote your videos through social media. So do check out the playlist on Instagram, on TikTok, and Pinterest. The other ways that I've shown people how to actually promote their store. But this video is on YouTube, so we're going to get into this. But as usual, if you love videos on Etsy, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell so you can get more of these videos in your feed, man, in your feed. And look, this is just a very quick breakdown of the different ways, just an example of how one can get found. And look, you got Etsy search, like I said, which is massive, Etsy marketing, SEO, you got direct sometimes. Social media with a breakdown of the different types of social media there, and then obviously Etsy ads, which is also there. So most definitely I recommend get your socials, get your pages, upload on a regular basis these posts. I definitely think you should actually spend some time doing it because they can be very effective. But like I said, let's get into the YouTube angle. And I want to show you exactly how one seller has really utilized YouTube to actually help drive traffic. So check this out. Right, we're on this store, which is called Isla or Isla Designs. I hope I pronounced it correctly, which is a fantastic store, right? And they've got some good sales, and even when you go to analyze the shop, they make some really good consistent sales. So I'm gonna just click on it anyway. Analyze the store. You can use EverBee, my go-to research SEO tool, where it can show you about anything like that. It shows you what makes good money, what's making the sales, helps you with SEO keywords. It's a really fantastic tool. I do recommend it, and you can try out for free in the link below. But look, see, this store shows me that it's making some really good consistent money for a lot of the listings. Look at that, 500, 500, 500, 400, 300. A lot of very good consistent money, right? Now they sell fantastic listings, fantastic products. So for example, in this case, they are focused on Tumblr mockups, and they have Tumblr mockups which are also rotating. So when you want to show off a video of your Tumblr design, then they sell these rotating tumblers so that you can show them off, which is a really, really great thing to sell. So they literally sell mock-ups, different types of mock-ups, and it really is a good product to sell. And you can see they have lots of these different products, different types, right? Different types, different sizes, but primarily they deal with mock-ups. They've even got mug mock-ups here, you can see rotating. And yeah, they literally have lots of different mock-up styles and types, right? Everywhere, which is really nice to see. So, they're doing really well. It's a really fantastic store. I really like it. But they're using YouTube to help also drive traffic, which is a really fantastic method. And, you can just imagine, just think about your own store. Think about how you can showcase your designs, just actually selling it through YouTube. How can you do this? But let me show you the YouTube channel first so that you get an idea of how maybe you can utilize your own store to actually create a channel for it, if you like. Okay, so I've gone onto the YouTube channel right now, and you can see it matches, the branding matches perfectly, the same name, the same design. And you can see that the sellers uploaded 37 videos onto the channel, and they've obviously got their subscribers there, and you've got more information about the channel here, which is quite cool. And look at this just gives you an idea of the power of YouTube. Look, it's got 148,480 views. Now imagine how many people would probably go to the store, to the Etsy store, to buy, right? And look, the videos are obviously of pretty much what the seller's selling, right? These are videos of these mock-ups, these fantastic mock-ups. You can see them here. And what really lends itself to selling this, actually, in this case, is that they've created videos. They've got their videos, which they actually use on the Etsy store to sell. And this is what you have to think about. You have to think about, how can I make my own listings into a video style? Now, what you should be doing on your listing anyway is uploading a video anyway, because you should know that Etsy helps. You can actually sell more if you have a video on your listing, right? Etsy says that anyway, that it does help to sell your product. So you should have a video, and literally you can use that same video of whatever it is you sell and upload it on YouTube, right? Create a channel and upload it on YouTube, and you'll be surprised how many people actually come to view. Now, I'll give you an example. Let's just have a look and see some of these. Look at this. Let me just go to this one. This one is one of the videos that the seller has.
Create an image with your design.
Let me just pause it there. But what it does is it goes through a 1 minute and 33-second video of how to create a rotating Tumblr video, right? With a design on top. And, what's fantastic about this, it's not a long video. It's a very short video, so it doesn't have to be long. And it has been viewed, look at this, which is crazy, which is amazing. 29,000 views it's had, and it was uploaded a year ago, which is really good. Now imagine you get that in lots of videos. And what's really cool about this, in the video description, you can actually see here that it has a link which takes you directly to the store that I showed you, which is their store. So every video has a link to the store. So every time someone has a look at the video and thinks, wow, that's really cool, that's how to create a Tumblr video, where can I get that from? Then they're likely to click on the link and go to the store. And this is a fantastic way to drive traffic. So what you have to think about is create a channel, right? It's very simple to do. And think about uploading videos that are related to the product that you sell. And every time people come across your channel and looks at one of your videos, then a percentage will click on the video and click on the link and go to the store, and then you'll find another percentage will probably buy the product. So this is a fantastic way of actually driving traffic, and you can tell by the numbers. Like, these numbers are crazy. Look, 29,550 views since 14th of April 2023, right? It hasn't even, well, actually it has been over a year, right? But this is amazing. This is actually amazing. And you can find loads of examples even when you go back, right? Look at these views. Look, there's still lots of views. Look at these 8.4 24k views, 29k views, right? And it's only 37 videos uploaded. Like, only 37. So there's a lot of potential in YouTube, and to be honest, a lot of people do not utilize this as much as they should. So if you do have a video already created, all you need to do is upload it straight onto YouTube. You don't have to do anything. If you haven't created videos actually for Etsy, then actually you should create videos anyway for your listings, and then use those same videos that you've put on your listings and upload it onto YouTube. It's as simple as that, right? It's so easy to do. But yeah, that is it. That's all you need to do. Remember, if you've got any questions, please drop it in the comments below and I will get back to you. But I'm going to leave it there, guys. Don't forget to check out my other videos on Instagram, marketing, Pinterest, and all that marketing good stuff. But if you did like the video, please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, mate. Take care.